In today's video, I'm going to teach you about creating and using plans in Jira, a key feature available with Jira Premium. Jira plans offer an invaluable way to consolidate work items from various boards, projects, and filters into a comprehensive overview that can encompass multiple teams or even your entire organization. This tool is especially useful for estimating release dates for cross-team projects, addressing staffing and resource allocation questions, or even mapping out your organization's yearly goals. To begin setting up your own plan, start by hovering over the Plans option in the left sidebar of your Jira interface. You'll notice that a plus icon appears. Go ahead and click on this icon to initiate the creation of a new plan. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your plan. Choose a name that reflects the scope or purpose of the plan, as this will help you and your team easily recognize it later. After naming your plan, the next step is to determine who can access it. This is important because controlling access ensures that the right team members have the visibility they need while keeping irrelevant parties from viewing sensitive information. Once you've set your access permissions, you'll need to decide which board or project you want to associate with this plan. You might select a board that aligns with your current workflow, or a project that requires cross-functional coordination. When you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click the Create button. Upon creation, you'll be taken directly to the plan's timeline view. This is where the real magic happens. In the timeline view, you can start adding work items. As you add each item, be sure to enter the corresponding fields relevant to your plan. These could include due dates, team assignments, or any other specifics that your teams need to coordinate effectively. You have the flexibility to rearrange these items as necessary, allowing you to prioritize tasks or adjust timelines in response to project changes. At the top of your screen, you'll notice several different views available for your plan. Besides the timeline, there are other options such as program and calendar views, each offering unique perspectives. Exploring these views can provide deeper insights into your project's progress and future trajectory. Now that you're set up, begin entering your work items. This is also an excellent time to explore and test out the features within your plan, from adjusting timelines to changing access permissions. Each feature can enhance your team's workflow and ensure a well-oiled project management process. And that's all there is to it. With this powerful tool in your back pocket, you'll find that managing multi-team projects can become smoother, more efficient, and more transparent. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel ready to dive into using Jira plans on your own.